See. My name Ella. Mama, it's a book. Yeah.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. So in this video I want to prepare spicy jam. Okay, so we are going to use our orange. This is orange jam. Okay, so this is cayenne pepper, the fresh one. We have our sugar here. This is sugar. We have cinnamon. So follow us. This is my hand juicer. Cinnamon. So beautiful people, I will be continuing to stir it like this. Okay. This is 5 minutes later. Beautiful people, if you are just seeing me for the first time, help me to subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Subscribe, share my video with your friend and family. Thank you very much. So beautiful people, this is 45 minutes later. Okay, so I want to take the cinnamon out. It's ready. Okay, so I'm going to off the fire. We are going to leave it to cool down. Okay, this is our spicy jam, spicy orange jam. Okay, so beautiful people, this is our spicy orange jam. Okay, so I'm waiting for the to cool down. Okay, so that I will put it inside this rubber. Okay, if you are just seeing me for the first time, please share my video with your friend and family to support me. Okay, thank you very much. So beautiful people, it has cooled down. Okay, so I'm going to pour it inside this rubber.
Mama, it's that. See. My name Ella. My name Ella. No, it's that. Yeah. Not for this, not for this. Yeah.
This is our spicy orange jam. So, beautiful people, this is our spicy jam, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Share with your friend and family. You can eat it with bread, anything. It's good for cough if you have cough, okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Mwah.